The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hello everyone. This evening we're going to stay pretty dry, and that's going to be the case through a lot of Tuesday as well. We start off with fairly clear skies and we stay mostly sunny to partly cloudy through the middle of the day and into the afternoon. I do think there is more sunshine after lunchtime than there is before it. By 8 p.m. there are some clouds trying to make their way into the highlands from the west. More and more will track across so that by 3 a.m. we're pretty overcast, and by 5 a.m. we're even starting to see some isolated showers. A lot of these are going to stay as rain for us, especially as we get past sunrise and temperatures are able to warm up some. But in the mountains where we tend to get the colder temperatures and we tend to get the freezing rain and snow, I think there's a chance for a wintry mix there, especially between about 7 and 9 in the morning. After 10, we've got a little bit of extra warmth that keeps it as more rain. Now, most of this is falling as rain as opposed to coming down in any storms, but it is going to be more heavy rain than a lot of the systems that we've seen so far this month. Some oranges popping up here and there, but mostly a pretty broad swath of yellow. As we get towards 2 p.m., the rainfall intensity does pick up. Now, rain's done in the NRV and Highlands at that point, but we still have some going on in Southside and Lynchburg, and it does pick up in intensity. The greatest storm threat is pretty far towards our east for Wednesday, so I don't think we're going to get much out of that, but some rumbles of thunder are possible. As we get towards 7 p.m., we dry out. We still have clouds. We'll have fewer clouds on Thursday with more cold air and wind to come in behind that. As far as rain totals go, NRV is coming in the lowest since that's where just the rain is falling for the least amount of time, but especially Lynchburg and Southside where it's going to be more consistent throughout the day. That's where we have a better chance of getting between a half inch up towards a whole inch in a lot of Southside. I think some places towards Martinsville and Danville could get even more than that, but staying under 2 inches, so not going to be a super high amount. Flooding is not really concerned with this particular system. After Wednesday, we stay pretty dry Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Not much coming through. We do have some more rain early next week, but you have some days after the rain if you need to get some errands done. As far as Thursday's wind, most of us are between 10 and 20, similar to today, with wind gusts getting up towards 40 miles per hour. So even though we've got more rain coming through on Wednesday, so a little bit more intense than what we had this weekend, you can expect similar winds behind that system. In the next 6 to 10 days, there's going to be a lot of cold air in the central part of the country, but we're actually a little bit average as we go through the end of January and the start of February. Most of our temperatures tonight are down to the 20s, like Roanoke at 28, Danville at 27. Because we have less wind, not as much wind chill to deal with as what we had this morning. For Tuesday's temperatures, a lot of us get close to 50 with the sunshine. Pulaski at 50, Roanoke at 53, and Danville at 53. On the extended forecast, temperatures are going to be in the low 40s Wednesday and Thursday, and then stay in the low 40s Friday. We do warm up a little bit for Saturday, and then Sunday and Monday we've got rain. And on the 3-degree guarantee, the high that we forecast is 45, got that for today. And it's a little bit cooler, feeling more like January than the spring-like temperatures we had earlier on this year, Brittany.
All right, Marshall, right on target with that 3-degree guarantee.